In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete your task 1. First of all, you need to open the new Excel sheet. You can go to the Excel and click on new. When you will open the new Excel sheet, actually you will open the blank workbook. According to the task of your work, it says on the top of everything, write the name of your shop. So in order to write the name of the shop, you can also add the logo in it. Okay, for example, I am going to give the name of the shop as a Star Grocery Services. So I can write, if I can click on my let me make it much more clear to you. So what I will do, so I will write the Star, or you can give it a name of a Star Bookstore. So you can see that Star Bookstore actually needs the two columns. Okay, so in order to write into the two columns, if you click home and then you can go and click on merge and center. So what it will do, it will merge two columns or two cells into one. So merging is actually making the two into one. Okay, so I will merge these two cells into one. In Excel, each block is called cell. Okay, so these are the rows and these are the columns. So once you have done this, the second part of this task, while writing your the name of the your store, so you also need to add the logo. So because it's a Star Bookstore, so what I will do, I will add a small star here. How you can add the star, I can give you the different examples. Even you can go to insert, you can have a look. You can maybe you won't be able to find the different shapes here. Okay, so what, in order to find the different shapes, what we can do, we can go to MS PowerPoint or onto the MS Paint. In order to go to the MS Paint, click logo here, Windows logo, and go to the search button and write paint. So once you open the paint, what you will do, so basically you can select a star from here and just copy and drag it, and you can fill with the color. Okay, and the second color, inside color is white at the moment, and you can make it a, or maybe you can use the paint to put the color inside. Okay, so once you have done this, what you need to do, you just go to the select. So you can find the select here, just click here and select the area. Okay, so you selected the star, and again go and press the copy. So once you copy this one, so come back to your Excel sheet and paste it. In order to paste, you need to go to the, you need to go home, and in the home there is a paste option here. Okay, just click onto the paste. You can resize this your shop logo. Okay, and because since the color of this your logo is basically yellow, so you can give the name of a yellow bookstore or yellow star bookstore. Okay, by the way, spelling of the store is STORE, and I think you can merge the three cells together. so you can adjust your uh, shop logo as well. So you need to press it again. Okay, so you can put it initially that the Star Bookstore. Now let us come to the second task. The first task is, by the way, is done. Okay, so let's go to the second task. It says that you need to go to the A3. So this is the column A, the row third, that's called A3. It says I need to write something. I need to write brand here. Well, in this column I will write the brands now. Okay, after that what you need to do, you need to put the item as a column B, item as a column B, and finally what you need to do, and C3 is basically for a price. So I'm not making it a long video basically, so you can say that your brand is dollar, for example, item is pen, and the price is 30. So you just need to write price in rupees. Okay, so you need to write RUPEES. So you can see that if I use the rupees, I can change the width of the column, okay, because price rupees is a long sentence. Actually, I can change the height and the width of the column by the method I'm doing in the front of you. Okay, so what you need to do, you select all the top rows because these are the brand, item, and price. You need to make it a bold. Okay, and you can give a different color. You can come here, you can select the different colors, for example. Okay, so I'm selecting the yellow color, and because it's a pen, so I will give it another color, for example green, and you can carry on. Another thing, the task in this work you need to do, again you need to select the three cells and come here and merge them and write it down here as a additional item. So again, so what are the additional items you have? It's a brand, item, and price in rupees. Okay, so again you can write something here like a you can say anything about it, you know, for example piano, ball pen, and you can say the price is, for example, 12 rupees. Okay, so you can give a different color again. Don't forget, when it's a title, make it a bold. Okay, you can change the color of the text from here, and you can give a different color. So these are the titles. Again, I just need to make them a bold. I will just make them a green in color. Okay, so this is your first task. So once you finish it, just let me know.